I wanted to build a soil moisture sensor that I could use inside my house to detect the moisture level of the pots that I have inside so I can know when to water the plants. I should just be able to leave the sensor in plants that I tend to forget to water or overwater so it can tell me and send me a message exactly when the soil moisture level is low so I can water it. This isn't a detailed build video for the project. I'm just simply explaining the steps I took to build this and how it works. For the build, I have this, which is basically like the tiny computer that holds all of the code. I have this, which is the actual soil moisture sensor. The end goes down and it tests the water moisture level and sends feedback back to the computer chip here. Then I have the actual rechargeable batteries. I have the case that holds the rechargeable batteries. And I have these wires, which makes sure I don't need to solder anything together. It makes everything easier. I just finished setting up the Arduino program for this chip, which is why you can see it's blinking so we know this is working. Now I just need to wire this moisture sensor. Here I'm realizing my first mistake, that I actually ordered male to female jumper wires and I needed female to female. So I reordered the jumper wires and could only continue it when they arrived the next day. Okay, I finished connecting them, so now we need to calibrate the sensor. There were a lot of small steps I kept getting wrong, like the code not working, or I was using the wrong board for the Node MCU, which made this take much longer than expected. We got a different wire because this one wasn't cooperating for some reason. The next thing I had to do was find a threshold number for the sensor to detect, and when it passes that threshold number, it sends me a message that the moisture level is low. So I wrote down the numbers that the sensor outputted when it was out in the open, in the air, and also in water. So now that I have the two readings, I can make the threshold number something closer to the drier number side. So when the moisture sensor runs and it outputs a number that's lower than the threshold number, it'll send me a message saying I need to water the plant. Here's the code. I gave it my phone number, my Gmail, and my Wi-Fi password so it can send me a message when the soil is dry. Now I'm uploading it. It seems to have some issues connecting to the Wi-Fi. I ran into a couple more issues here because it wouldn't send a message to my Gmail account or my phone number directly. So what I had to do was download this app called Notify and then program it so that it would send a message through that app to my phone. This is the notification that pops up on my phone. Okay, I've added another wire here for deep sleep because this is only going to run once a day. And here I also have the batteries and the battery holder. This is a rechargeable battery in the battery shield. So after connecting all that, it officially worked and it was complete. Which means every single day now, it runs once, it sends me a notification if the soil is dry, and it goes back into deep sleep, which saves power. And again, I don't need to run more than once a day anyways, because soil doesn't dry that fast. Okay, so just to explain how it works. It's basically in deep sleep for the entire day, except once a day it runs a scan, and if the soil is dry, it sends me a message, right? So because it's out in the air, if I press the restart button, it should send a run signal, and because it can detect this is dry, it'll send me a message to water. Okay, so the lights are on. Powered on the battery. It should run a sequence and send me, there it is. Send me one text saying my soil is too dry because this is out here. Now if I put this in the soil over here, because it's just watered, and I click it again, it won't really run. I can keep this here, leave this here, and this will go into deep sleep. It'll run once a day. Once the soil dries, it'll send me that same exact text.